Hey, you guys, it is Mirsky back with another YouTube video. If you guys like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, slap the bell, subscribe, so you can get notified that I do a video all the time. And let's just get into this video. So you guys, you already know on Wednesday, we do Witchy Wednesday. So on Witchy Wednesday, we talk about witchy topics, witchy shit, magic spells, all of that witchy stuff. We're going to get into it. So from what you guys see in the title down below, finally I didn't say description box or comment section, you will see that I am doing a oil. Fast luck oil, money oil, whatever you want to call it. We're just going to get into it, you guys. Let's just get into this. Okay, so you guys, here's my bottle that I'm gonna be using. I do not have all of my products set out, so we're definitely gonna have to do that. But let me just show you right quick another one that I made. This is a money fairy oil. So if you like it, say you like it. So yeah, let's get into doing this. We have vanilla extract, some basil leaves, some oil, soybean, apple cinnamon, crushed apple cinnamon, an already used cinnamon stick, Himalayan salt, and honey, and a citrine, well, green aventurine, and citrine crystal. First, we're going to start off with our vanilla extract. Emission. Okay. We're going to put a little bit. Boop, boop, boop. Just a little bit. I think that was a little bit too damn much. Okay. To me, it doesn't matter what order you throw this shit in. So, that cinnamon stick, boom, right in there, you feel me? I like to have the area kind of calm, serene, peaceful, and feeling kind of meditative, in like a meditative state, to get the flow of, you know, the oil working in the spell. You feel me? And I always ask my ancestors and things to join in while I'm doing this to make it even stronger. I'm only filling it up to right here because I don't want to use up all of my oil. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Isn't that pretty? So then we're going to pour a little bit of honey right over the top of it, of the little cinnamon stick. That honey is going to do its job, honey. It's going to do its job. Basil leaves. These basil leaves are going to help fasten and speeding up the process. Or whatever. So boom. You just want to throw. It's going to get messy, okay, you guys? It's going to get very messy. And I'm still a messy bitch. And I did a couple of these. By the way, I will use pine cones as well because pine cones are good for, you know, speeding up the process of things. It's help for growth and expansion. But I don't have any pine cones. So yeah. It's in my other bottle. I'll show you guys. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see this. Well, I'm sure you guys can. This is the pine cone. Right in there, right there. And yeah, that's the pine cone. So next we're just gonna crush up a little bit of these. I don't have no bowl, no tools, no none of that, okay? So we're just gonna crush it up with our hands, our fingers. Throw it right in there. I'm gonna have to use something to, you know, get that down there or whatever. Get that down there. We're gonna find something. Get this down here. Yup. We gonna get that down there. Okay, that's the crushed cinnamon, you guys. It's the crushed cinnamon. It's the crushed cinnamon. So boom. Boom. I actually really want to put a lot in here. Okay? Because the crushed cinnamon actually really makes it look so cute. So moi. Whatever that is. And it just ends up being very cute. So boom, boom. You see that? Look at that aesthetic. Pleasing. Pleasing. Ooh. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Girl, I gotta add a Instagram little filter in here where it be like, you feel me? And then we're gonna throw our crystals in there. Okay. There we are. An ass. I didn't forget about the Himalayan salt, you guys. So, yeah, we ain't forget. Just gonna get a little bit of sugary up in here. I put some cinnamon in the thing too. So whenever I do another one, it's gonna have cinnamon or Himalayan salt on it already. Shake it up in there. Boom. A little bit of Himalayan salt, but it's just, you guys, it's gonna get messy. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh my fuck. What am I doing? Okay. I missed the whole bottle. After we just shake it up. We do all our shaky things. Shake it. Shaky, up. Shaky it up. Get it shaken up. If you want to, you can just wipe off the bottle or whatever. I prefer you wash it off. I'm not giving this to anybody, but yeah, this is how I make my little oils. And yeah, that's how you do it. That is how you do it. So I usually leave this at my ancestor altar. What else? I usually leave it there. I pray over it, and I do da 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 and 10 to the 10, and I do that. Okay, so you guys, if you like that little whatever the hell that was, me making an oil fail / success. It was failed because I poured that Himalayan salt all over the table and I gotta clean it up. So yeah. But if you guys like this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe, smack the bell, comment down below. If you are a witch, tell me, you know, what your favorite spells are, your favorite oils to do, and I'll be back with another video. See you guys later. Peace.